Object snap tracking can be used to create geometries from points which are not visible on your screen. For example, in this drawing, we have these two circles and the center for these two circles are not indicated in this blank drawing. So we don't have a reference point for creating center point for this circle. In these cases, you can use object snap tracking. Object snap tracking can be seen on status toggle here. So here's the object snap tracking right beside object snap. So click this to turn it on. If you don't find this icon, click on this customization and check this object snap tracking mark. Once you have this icon turned on, go to circle command and now let's try to make this first circle. I'll first go to the midpoint of this line, but don't click. So now bring your cursor here and then drag it directly downwards. So when you drag it downwards, a green tracking vector will appear. Now don't click anywhere and move your cursor directly towards left. And when you'll move to left, you'll see again a midpoint snap and now track it towards right. So when both the tracking vectors meet, an intersection point will be created, and now when you click here, a circle will be drawn exactly at the intersection point. Now enter the radius, which is 20 units, and press enter. So here we have the circle. Similarly, to make this a smaller circle, we can track these 2 points. So this circle is exactly made at the intersection of these 2 points. So let's go to circle again and go to this point, but don't click. Now track your cursor towards right. Now go to this point and again don't click and track it upwards. So as soon as you reach the intersection point, an intersection point for these tracking vectors will be indicated. Click at this point, enter the radius, and here we have the final geometry.